To fix Instagram message not sending on 2023. In this video guys we will talk about how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Instagram. Open then Instagram like this, scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And now go and restart your phone. After this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.